You have been waiting for years to get your hands on the revolutionary MicroLED display technology on an Apple Watch. You have read countless reports and seen analyst predictions saying 2026 would finally be the year. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 was supposed to be the massive game changer, bringing this cutting-edge display straight to your wrist. But here is a harsh reality check. That MicroLED dream is dead once again. Today, we are diving deep into the facts about why Apple's most anticipated display technology will not make it to the Ultra 4. We will uncover what actually went wrong behind the scenes and what this means for you as a potential buyer. We will also talk about what Apple is offering instead. Is the Ultra 4 still worth your hard-earned money without this breakthrough technology? Let us find out. Let us start by understanding what we were actually supposed to get. MicroLED represents the next massive leap in screen technology. It promises to make our current OLED screens look completely outdated. MicroLED uses millions of tiny, microscopic self-emitting LEDs. These tiny lights can produce incredibly bright images while using much less power. This technology promises a world with absolutely no burn-in issues. It offers much better color accuracy and a significantly longer lifespan compared to OLED screens. For the Apple Watch Ultra series, this seemed like the absolute perfect match since these watches are designed for extreme outdoor use. When you are hiking up a mountain in the blazing sun, maximum brightness is crucial. For years, reliable sources kept reinforcing that 2026 would be the major breakthrough year for the Ultra 4. People loved the idea of having a watch display that could easily compete with the brightest smartphone screens while lasting much longer on a single charge. But here is where reality hit the tech world hard. Manufacturing MicroLED displays at the massive scale that Apple needs is proving to be nearly impossible right now. So, what is Apple doing instead for the Ultra 4? They are sticking with OLED technology. Honestly, if you look at the facts, this makes complete business sense. OLED technology is mature and highly reliable. Apple knows exactly how to work with OLED at massive production scales. The supply chain is well established, costs are predictable, and quality control is very easy to manage. While this news might disappoint tech enthusiasts, OLED still delivers excellent top-tier performance. Apple will likely use a highly advanced OLED panel for the Ultra 4. This panel will offer very strong peak brightness, perfect black levels, and stunningly accurate colors. The biggest challenge with MicroLED is something called mass transfer. It involves placing millions of microscopic LEDs onto a single display surface in absolute perfect alignment. If you make a mistake, the screen has dead pixels. Current manufacturing processes just cannot handle this efficiently. This results in very high costs and extremely low production yields. Apple simply cannot risk having supply shortages for a major flagship product like the Ultra 4. The manufacturing costs are so high that they would force Apple to price the Ultra 4 way beyond what normal consumers would accept. Using an experimental technology could halt production entirely. It goes against absolutely everything Apple stands for when it comes to smooth product launches. There are also technical hurdles regarding long-term reliability in harsh, real-world conditions. However, MicroLED is not completely dead at Apple. They continue to invest heavily in this technology behind closed doors. They see it as crucial for their future high-end wearables and AR devices. The delay we are seeing right now is mostly about logistics and manufacturing readiness. So, what exactly is the Ultra 4 offering instead to justify an upgrade? Apple is focusing their energy on substantial improvements in areas they can actually control. You can expect a much more powerful S-series chip inside the watch. This new processor will bring noticeable performance gains and better health monitoring. Battery management will likely be heavily optimized to push the device closer to true multi-day usage. Reliable rumors are pointing to advanced non-invasive monitoring capabilities, including hypertension notifications. You will also see some design tweaks and durability enhancements. These practical features often matter much more to real everyday users. Serious athletes care more about their battery not dying in the woods than having the absolute latest display tech. In low power mode, this device could potentially last up to 72 hours. Analysts predict the Ultra 4 could cost somewhere between $849 and $899. The expected launch remains September 2026. If you are holding off on buying an Apple Watch Ultra specifically for MicroLED, you need to adjust your expectations.